JEE Mains 2024, 29th Feb, evening shift question we have. So the question is what? If the solution curve of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y minus 2 upon x minus y, passing through the point 2 comma 1 is tan inverse y minus 1 upon x minus 1 minus 1 by beta ln of alpha plus y minus 1 whole square upon x minus 1 whole square is equal to log of x minus 1 of mode, then phi beta plus alpha is what? Okay, so here given differential equation we have dy by dx is equal to x plus y minus 2 upon x minus y. Okay, so replace x with capital of x plus h and replace y with capital of y plus k. So we'll get what? D of capital Y upon D of capital X is equal to x plus capital X plus capital Y plus capital H plus K minus 2 upon we have capital H, okay, minus capital Y minus K. So we are getting D of capital Y upon D of capital X is equal to x plus Y plus H plus K minus 2 upon x minus Y plus H minus K. The rule says ki we need only term of x and y. This constant term we have to make 0. Okay. So we have h minus k is equal to 0 and h plus k minus 2 equal to 0. If we will solve here, so h and k value we are getting 1 comma 1. H value is 1 and k value is 1. Okay. Now simplify this one. So we have d of capital Y upon dx is equal to x plus y upon x minus y. So if we will take y common from this one, so we'll get what? Sorry, if we'll take x common, so we'll get y by capital X upon 1 minus y by capital X equal to d of capital Y upon dx. Okay. The next step is what? Y by x is equal to v. So y is equal to vx. Yani ki we are getting what? dy by of d capital X is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Okay, so this dy by dx now we will replace with v plus x dv by dx. So v plus x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v upon 1 minus v. So we have x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v upon 1 minus v or minus v. Okay, if we'll simplify this one, so we have x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v minus v and plus of v square upon 1 minus v. Okay, so we have dv upon dx multiply with x is equal to 1 plus v square upon 1 minus v. Variable separable if we'll use, so we'll get 1 minus v upon 1 plus v square of dv is equal to dx by x. Okay, separate these, if we'll take integration both sides, so we have 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus v square of dv minus v upon 1 plus v square of dv is equal to dx by x. Okay, integration of this one we know, we'll get tan inverse of v minus, if we will multiply and divide with 2, so differentiation of this thing here present, yani ki half times ln of 1 plus v square is equal to ln of x plus c we have. Now our v is what? Capital Y by capital X. So we'll get what? Tan inverse of capital Y by capital X minus 1 by 2 ln 1 plus capital Y by X whole square. Okay. And ln this one we have capital X plus C. Okay. Now see the capital Y is what? X value and Y value we have, sorry, H and K we have 1 1. यानी कि कैपिटल H इज इक्वल टू x माइनस 1 एंड कैपिटल Y वी हैव y माइनस 1. ये आप रिप्लेसमेंट कर दोगे. सो क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ पे? tan इनवर्स y माइनस 1 अपॉन x माइनस 1 माइनस हाफ टाइम्स ln 1 plus y minus 1 whole square upon x minus 1 whole square, and plus ln of, sorry, equal to ln of x minus 1 plus c. Now if we'll compare both the equations here, this and this, so 1 by beta here we have, okay, this term we have of 1 by beta, so beta value is equal to 2, and alpha value we have this one, yani ki alpha is equal to 1. So we have to find 5 times beta plus alpha, yani ki 5 times beta plus alpha, yani ki 10 plus 1, which is equal to 11. So 11 is our correct answer.